Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopper block we got country style ribs, and with these country style ribs I'm going to be making you an easy baked country style rib with vegetables. Okay, I'm going to show you what we got here. We got some soy sauce. We got the Italian seasoning. We have some sea salt, some poultry seasoning. We have some smoked paprika. We have some granulated garlic, some granulated onion, and 5 rusted potatoes, and 3 ribs of celery right here, and 1 onion, and a cup of baby carrots. And over here we have Brussels sprouts we're going to be putting in there too, but that's going to go in later, okay, because it's already frozen, so they don't take long to get done. Alright, we're just going to start here with our soy sauce. Shake that up a little bit, put some of this on there. So that's probably like about 2 tablespoons. Then we're going to go with our granulated garlic. So we're going to put like a tablespoon of this on there. Then we're going to go with our granulated onion, tablespoon. Then we're going to come with our poultry seasoning. Probably about a teaspoon of that. We're going to go with a ½ teaspoon of the Italian seasoning. We're going to go with, we go with the salt first. We're going to put like a ½ teaspoon of this in it, the salt, the sea salt. Pork got salt in it, okay? So I told you guys I ain't trying to do a lot of salt on my foods and stuff. So that's about it on that. And we'll go with the smoked paprika. Go like a teaspoon of that. Okay. We're just going to mix this up with our hands. Okay, I'm just going to massage it and all that good stuff. Mix it around. Just like this. Okay. I think that's good enough. I'll scoop this back down here. Because what I'm going to do now is chop up these vegetables and put this on top, other than the potatoes. Wash your hands off. I'm going to cover this up with some foil. Only thing I'm going to put on there right now, matter of fact, I think I need my bell pepper. I got a ½ a bell pepper I'm going to use too. This is the last piece of it. So that's that. Put the potatoes over here. We put those in about like an hour. And go ahead and chop this stuff and I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. So what I did was I chopped up the vegetables, put that in there, and I'm going to sprinkle some of this black pepper on there. I forgot all about that. So I ain't going to put too much on there. It's going to be probably like a ½ a teaspoon black pepper. I have a cup of water. Just going to put this on the side. And we're going to let this cook for about an hour. Wrap this mug up. When it gets done cooking for about an hour, then we take our other vegetables and put that in there. I'm going to cook this on 425 for about an hour. Now I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, it's been a good hour. This is what we got so far. I think I'm going to let it go back in there. So the total cooking time, I'm changing it now. So it's not quite as tender as I want it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back in there for another 30 minutes. And then I'm going to put the vegetables in there, which is the potatoes and the other Brussels sprouts and the carrots. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our potatoes. Just kind of like put them in there. Could have been a little bit more diligent. We just put some in there now because I got to put these Brussels sprouts in there as well. Leave the frozen ones like I said. It's a nice little hearty meal for the winter time. Just kind of like sticking around or whatever. We can get some of that heat. So we're going to put it back in the oven for another 30 minutes. So the total time is going to be like 2 hours of cooking time. Take my potatoes, put those in there. And here's what I'm going to do. Because I want my to taste decent. So I'm going to put some black pepper on it. Like that. Go with some garlic. A little onion powder. Just dusting it, just giving it some seasoning. Now, of course, I'm going to take my poultry seasoning on it too. Has tons of flavor. Alright, what else we got here? Got my salt. Not too much on there. Now normally I probably would have squeezed a lemon or a lime on it, but I'm not trying to do all that today. Here's my smoked paprika. And I'm going to put a little bit more of this soy sauce on it. And that's it. I'm going to put this bad boy back up in there for a half an hour. And I'll show you guys how it looks in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I am done with this. So this total cooking time is like 2 hours on this. Let you guys get this piece right here. If we can get that piece. Alright. I'm gonna taste that one. Very nice and tender. You guys need to try this recipe. It is awesome. It's good. And it's worth this while. Them 2 hours. If you get you some biscuits or something like that with this, or some rolls or something, oh man, you'll be in there. So guys, please like, share, and hit that bell. And tell all your friends and family to tune in to Dogg Kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. I'll see you guys next time in Dogg Kitchen. Let's get cooking.